You are blessed to bless others. This is your practical apostle. I'm still here in South Africa. I want to teach something.
Yes.
Okay. People call me the Papa. They find it difficult to get some of the help that I teach.
Yes.
And then people say when they are doing business, there are people they have gone around to all the spiritualists in this world.
Yes.
And now spiritual things are not working for them.
Okay.
Their favor has blocked. See, spirituality, you can become a spiritual prostitute.
Okay.
If you are not careful.
Yes.
You will go here, you will go here, you will go here. Mm-hmm. There are a lot of people who are suffering.
Yes.
My brother.
Yes.
It's not spiritual attack, it's character.
Okay.
But a lot of Africans compare character to spirituality.
Yes.
Maybe you are not honest person in your business.
Okay.
Because you are not honest, that is why you are losing customers. You will not understand that it's because of your character, customers are leaving you. Listen to me.
Yes.
You're beginning to go rounds. You go to Sangoma, you go to Benin, you go to, how they call it, Ghana.
Yes.
You go to Togo, you go to Mozambique, you go here and take this and take that.
Yes.
When it happens like that, spiritually you become locked.
Yes.
Nothing will work for you again.
Okay.
So when pastor pray for you, nothing will work. When you use herbs, nothing is going to work.
Okay.
All doors will close. I hope you are getting it.
Yes.
So I'm always saying this, that good character is more powerful than anointing oil.
Yes.
Good character is powerful than any prayer on this earth. But when you have good character, before things are not working, that is where you know that there is a spiritual problem.
Okay.
So what I want to teach now, you know that you have roam, you have go to so many places, and now you are stuck.
Okay.
Nothing is working. Your business, you lose all customers, and you want to have a new life.
Okay.
There are ladies who are watching me now, they are very beautiful. They can walk on the street for the whole year. No man will even call them.
Yes.
Because in the past, they have used their energy. Life is like something. When your blessing cup is full, when you are using it, the energy will be going down. So when you finish, you will become stuck.
Yes.
Listen to me. So everybody carry energy.
Yes.
You have energy for your prosperity. You have energy for your protection. And you have energy for your favor. And you have energy for your protection.
Okay.
So when you are using it, abusing it, it's going down. When you finish, you are stuck. When you check Indians, they do rituals every month.
Yes.
To boost their energy.
Yes.
They on incense to give food to the air. They pour libation to give food to the land.
Okay.
They give to the sun. They do full moon prayers. I hope you're getting it.
Yes.
So good character is better than what? Any prayer.
Any prayer.
Good character is powerful than any direction. But when your character is good before things are not working, do this, you'll be free.
Okay.
What we call Coffe.
Okay.
Coffe is very powerful. It can boost your energy.
Yes.
Coffe is something that can boost your spiritual energy.
Yes.
But those who are watching me, it's not everybody that can get the original coffee. So go and get Nescafe. I'm not doing advert for anybody.
Yes.
This Nescafe bath, you are going to do it for 13 days with pineapple.
Okay.
Okay? Get a bucket of water. You are going to fetch about 2 spoons or 3 spoons of Nescafe.
Okay.
And put it in a bucket. Mix it. The water will become brown.
Yes.
Get 1 full pineapple, the ripe one. Okay. Squeeze the water to the, how they call it? To the bucket.
Yes.
To mix that water.
Yes.
And add small salt and bath. Listen to me.
Okay.
Bath that. If you have small cinnamon powder, small one, you can mix with it. Bath this for 13 days.
Okay.
Your spiritual energy will boost back.
Okay.
You will see that things will begin to work for you. When your spiritual energy is low, anything at all can walk to your life. Disease can walk to your life.
Easily.
Sickness cannot walk to your life. Misunderstanding can walk to your life. Criminals can walk to your life. Disappointment can walk to your life. Failure can walk to your life. So this Nescafe, I'm telling those who can get a coffee, the raw one, get a coffee seed, pound it very well, and mix it with water and be bathing every day for 13 days. But the Nescafe is pure coffee. So mixing it with water, with pineapple water, pineapple juice, every day, continuously for 13 days.
13 days.
Somebody will ask, can we do it in the morning or evening? I don't care. If you want to do it 3 times in a day, up to 13 days, you can do that. Do it, but don't start this on Tuesday.
Okay.
You can start it on Friday, Sunday, or Thursday. Thursday, Friday, and Sunday. When you start it continue. You can end it on Tuesday, you can end it on any day. But the days you are going to start should be what? Thursday, Friday, and Sunday.
Yes.
That is it. So you can explain to your people in your language.
Siyabingelela. Sisekhona ke la eGoli, ne? eGoli sise Orange Farm, extension 3. Uma ngaphane kuukuthi umuntu osezame yonke into, ne? Osezame yonke into, uhambile wayebantwini washona ko Mozambique, Ghana, Cameroon, Togo, waya ku Nigeria uyozama ukuthi izinto zakho zihlangane, but izinto zakho azihlangane umuntu ongazange azone umuntu, uyabona? Ngoba abanye abantu uthola ukuthi mhlawumbe izinto azimlungeli ngenxa yokuthi kunezinto ezirong yena azenzile. Uthola ukuthi ibusiness lakho lishona phansi, impilo yakho izinto azihlangane. Igcine lento seyikwenza ube umuntu manje ewubuka angathi izinto zabantu mhlamba abalaphayo azisebenzi ngenxa yokuthi wena izinto ozenzile uhambe wayoqoqa imithi yahlangana, then emveni kwaloko yablocka yonke zonke spirituality sakho ukuthi kungenzeki lutho kuwena. Bambalana ke thola ilentuzana iCoffe. Wena okwazi ukuthola iCoffe, mhlambe kune coffee farm la ekutshalwe khona iCoffe noma kwenziwa khona iCoffe, hamba uthola iCoffe leli raw. Ulugcobe ulifake emanzini. Lento le direction uzogeza ngayo for full 13 days. Ungageza ngayo ntambama, ungageza ngayo ekseni, ungageza ngayo emini. Uthathe iCoffe ulithathe ulifake emanzini. Makuukuthi awukwazi ukuthi uthole iCoffe eli raw, thola leli ekuthiwa iNescafe, ne? Uthole lona ngoba ilona eli strong, eli iCoffe eli strong. Ulithathe ulifake emanzini. Ufake emanzini ubese ufaka usawoti, ubese ufaka ilentuzana, ufake mhlambe izipuni zika cinnamon, isipuni sika cinnamon. Ugeze ngalento, ugeze ngayo for full 13 days. Ubese usqueeze upineapple phakathi. Uphutshuze upineapple, uphuthuzele phakathi, ugeze ngayo lento. Izokwazi ukuthi ibooste ienergy yakho, izinto zikwazi ukuthi ziqaqeke, zivuleke, ukwazi ukuthi usebenze, uqhubeke nempilo, ukwazi ukuthi izinto zenzeke empilweni yakho. Ngoba uma kuukuthi akusenzekeli lutho, uthandazile, waphahla, wayesangomeni, wathini, washisa impepho, wahlaba imbuzi, wahlaba inkomo, but akusasebenzi lutho kwena. So iyona ke idirection lezokwazi ukuthi ikusize, ukwazi ukuthi kusebenzele, ukwazi ukuthi wenzeke zonke lezi zinto lezo zifunayo. Bambalana nayi number ongasifonela kuyona, enza iappointment, sibonane sikwazi ukuthi sikusize. Inamba u083 9471 856 083 9471 856. Uyafona, then emveni kwaloko sikunikeze idirection, ubese uyasondela, sizoba khona la until mhla ka 1 June. So wena enza isikhathi ke sibonane, siseGoli eOrange Farm extension 3. Enza isikhathi usondele sikwazi ukuthi sikusize, ukwazi ukuthi uphile.
So that is it. So Nescafe, you can get it in any shop.
Any shop, yeah.
And use it to bath.
Yeah.
Coffee is a very powerful. Coffee boosts energy.
Yes.
It boosts your spiritual energy.
Okay.
So that by that 13 days, you're beginning to, those who cannot remember your dream, you're beginning to gain your energy.
Yes.
Then you start again. Then you watch out and be careful.
Okay.
Why you see Apostle Ekacho, I deal with nature. I deal with real things.
Yes.
If I teach you about herbs, herb is not about any evil.
Yes.
You eat fruits. So
Yes.
if I teach you herbs to bath, you don't own anybody.
Yes.
I hope you're getting what I'm saying. So I'm saying South Africa here, tomorrow Tuesday, which is 27th.
Yes.
I'm still around.
Yes.
Up to 1st June.
Yes.
You'll be blessed to bless others. Share the video.
Yes.
So anyone who is watching me, just get a Nescafe. Do this Nescafe bath for 13 days. You'll be blessed with that. Make sure any bath you do with this, make sure there's a pineapple juice.
Inside.
Okay? Don't go and buy pineapple juice. Buy the pineapple.
Raw
the
pineapple.
ripe one, who is the one that is smelling very well.
Okay.
And put enough water, pineapple juice water inside, and add small salt and bath for 13 good days.
Yes.
You'll be blessed to bless others. God bless you all. Mention the number they have to call before.
The number that you need to call is 083 9471 856. 083 9471 856. Iyona number leyo ufanele uyisebenzise. Siyabonga.